In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion. We're going to build a fresh database from scratch. Pick the best layout for your needs, and give it a clear name so it's easy to find and use later. I'll explain each click, why it matters, and share a few tips to keep things tidy as you go. First, create a new page. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click the Add New Page button. If your sidebar is hidden, hover near the left edge of the screen to reveal it. Then open it up. When the new page appears, you can choose where it lives in your workspace, which helps with organization if you are working in a team or you keep multiple areas for different projects. Opening a new page is the gateway to building your database. Think of it as the empty room where your database will live. Next, select your database type. In the new page, find the database section and choose the view that fits your content best. Table is great for spreadsheets and structured fields. Board gives you a Kanban-style layout for statuses like to do, doing, and done. Gallery emphasizes visuals, perfect for portfolios or resources with images. List is a simple, lightweight view for quick entries. Calendar organizes items by date. Ideal for schedules and content plans. Timeline provides a horizontal project timeline for planning over weeks or months. Don't worry if you are unsure, Notion lets you switch or add more views later, so pick the one that feels right to start. Now add a source. Choose Add New Database to start from scratch. This tells Notion you are creating a brand new dataset, not just linking to something that already exists elsewhere in your workspace. Starting fresh ensures you are in full control of the structure, and it keeps unrelated information out of your space. Finally, name your database. Click the title area at the top and give it a concise descriptive name. Use a clear pattern that makes sense at a glance, like Team Tasks, Q1, Content, Calendar, 2026, or Design Assets Library. Good names make search easier and reduce confusion later. You can always refine the title as your project evolves, so don't get stuck. Pick something obvious and move forward. That's it. You created a new page, chose the right database view, started a brand new database source, and named it clearly. You are ready to start adding entries and building out your system at your own pace. Thanks for watching.